For the paw ring, we're using regular paper clips. They're 28 millimeters. You can always use 4 inches of 20 gauge wire if you like. It's best to use stainless steel, but that is hard to work with. You can also use tinned copper, tarnish resistant brass, or any half-hard wire. So we're going to start with the toes, and I'm just going to start by making a full circle for the first one, and then we're going to do another circle over here, kind of go to the back, and then we're going to bend this down a little bit, and then we're going to go to the front. So I'll flip it over. I'm going to bring this one around. So those are our toes, and then we need one more. So we're going to bring this one around here. Make them as small as you can because the paper clip is very small. And then we're going to just bend this one around to form the pad. This one's going to be a little bit heart shaped, so we're going to bring that one up and then down and then up. So there's your paw shape. And then we want a sharp bend to the left, so we're going to get our flat pliers and give that a sharp little bend across there. And then from here, hold them with the flat pliers and just start the curve a little bit. Get your round form, hold it on there, and then bring this all the way around. You have a bit of leeway to make a larger ring with this one. And then we need to curve this out a little bit. So just take the round pliers, curve it out, and then we're going to just adjust this, and you want this to sit just underneath the toe there. And there you have a cute little dog paw ring made with a paper clip.